have a maiden flight here. Sea Fury. 20cc size. Lots of camera. Recording. Two cameramen there. Okay. Ooh. It's climbing crazily. I don't want to zoom because I want to see the characteristic of the plane. Because the plane is behaving different. Looks like the tail heavy, maybe perhaps. Okay, now seems it's doing fine, but still climbing. Oops, sorry. It sort of seems like it's climbing. It's not tracking straight. See, climb, climb. Maybe need some elevator trimming. Or maybe loosen the expo or recheck the CG. So far so good. Zoom in and see. Oh, dead stick. Mayday, mayday, dead stick. Mayday, dead stick. That's a good save. At least still in one piece.
Sensitif gila.